Welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix OG Warzone not launching or just keeps crashing. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go over to Steam. From Steam, right click on your Call of Duty. Once you find it, right click on it and hit properties. From properties, make your way over to installed files and then go ahead and select verify integrity of game files. And that is one way of fixing the error code. The second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar and typing in device manager. From device manager, go over to display adapters and then right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now another method to update your drivers is by going over to the GeForce Experience app directly if you are on NVIDIA. And if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can install it from manually by just going over to Google and typing in latest drivers for AMD or NVIDIA, whatever you're on. Anyways, go over to drivers. From drivers, hit check for updates, and if you have any updates, go ahead and install them, and then that should also help fix the issue. Go ahead and download, and I highly recommend restarting your PC right after. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.